Factory farms are also driving massive feed crop expansion. So we're talking about monoculture soy and corn grown in fragile ecosystems like the Amazon and the Cerrado regions in Brazil. And that is going to feed the animals in factory farms. And they're responsible for over 70% of deforestation in the Amazon. And
Right.
what makes this issue so interesting is how intersectional it is. Deforestation and biodiversity loss, freshwater depletion, pollution of land, waters, land grabbing, violation of labor rights, food insecurity. And then one of the biggest issues today is the public health impacts and how really, because these animals are confined in kind of high density spaces, it increases their stress and facilitates the spread of pathogens. And studies have linked outbreaks such as the avian influenza and swine flu to factory farming. So we're talking about breeding grounds for future pandemics.